Hey friends, if you wish to fix a films and TV app error 0xc00d36cb on your Windows computer, or you can call it movies and TV app, whatever you want to, then please watch this video. So search for the word movie and you'll find the movies and TV app, and then click on app settings in the right pane. Now the new name is movies and TV. Okay, earlier it was called films and TV. Scroll down and select terminate. Okay, and then click on repair. This will repair the application. It needs a few seconds for it, and the affirmation for this one is that you see a tick here, and that tick means that it has been reset. Then you can click on reset and then on reset once again, and it will reset this app. Okay, if this doesn't help either, then just uninstall the app, uninstall it, and once you're done with it, search for store in the Windows search bar and then open the Microsoft Store. Search for movies and TV here, hit enter. Okay, and then go to this app, click on install corresponding to it. It will reinstall this application and the problem will surely be fixed this time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.